dire,
to say, or.
to tell,
In this video, we will learn the verb to say or.
to tell in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns.
Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel,
Learn French with Di.Vi.
This is a third group verb, and it follows the same pattern that is shown here.
But with a slight variation in the second person plural form.
Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern.
I say,
je dis,
You say, in formal way.
tu dis,
He says,
masculine,
il dit,
she says,
feminine,
elle dit,
we say, or one says, in formal way.
on dit,
We say, formal way.
nous disons,
You say, formal way.
vous dites,
They say, group of males or mixed people.
ils disent,
They say, group of only females.
elles disent,
This French verb is used to express the action of visually perceiving and understanding written or printed words.
Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. I tell the truth.
je dis la vérité. Je dis la vérité.
You tell a story.
Tu dis une histoire. Tu dis une histoire.
He tells a secret.
Il dit un secret. Il dit un secret.
She tells a joke.
Elle dit une blague. Elle dit une blague.
We say kind words.
On dit les mots gentils. On dit les mots gentils.
We say hello.
Nous disons bonjour. Nous disons bonjour.
You say thank you.
Vous dites merci. Vous dites merci.
They tell the answer.
Ils disent la réponse. Ils disent la réponse.
They say goodbye.
Elles disent au revoir. Elles disent au revoir.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table.
I say,
Je dis,
You say, in formal way.
tu dis,
He says,
masculine,
Il dit.
She says.
Feminine.
Elle dit.
We say, or one says. In formal way.
On dit.
We say. Formal way.
Nous disons.
You say. Formal way.
Vous dites.
They say. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils disent.
They say. Group of only females.
Elles disent.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.